Hi guys, in this tutorial we will tell you how to add flashcard page into your app. The flashcard page allows you to create virtual flashcards bearing information as words or numbers on either or both sides for a variety of purposes. Let's get started. Enter your business name and click on next. Based on your business name, the app will show you some specific categories. If you can't find the appropriate category, click on view more categories. Here you will see all the categories. Choose the one that best suits your business. Once done, click on next. Now select an app design as per your choice and click on next. Now let's add the page. Click on view all here and search flashcard. Click on the page to add it. Here's your flashcard page name. If you want, you can change it. From here, you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline icon or image from our library or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's move to the content section. Let's add flashcard. Click on add flashcard. The flashcard window will open. Click on add flashcard. The add flashcard pop-up window will open. Enter the title in flashcard title field. Now provide a description of your flashcard here. From here, you can add image for your flashcard. Once done, click on Save to continue. You can see the flashcard has been successfully added on your dashboard. From here, you can search the flashcards by name. You can even sort the flashcards based on their publishing date by selecting the appropriate starting date and end date here. You can even sort the flashcards based on their status. From here, you can reset the sorting order. Click on Add Flashcard to add multiple flashcards. Provide all the required info in the appropriate fields and click on Save. If you want to delete multiple flashcards in one go, select the specific flashcards and click here to delete them. Click on this icon to edit the flashcard. From here, you can delete the specific flashcard. If you want to change the status of the flashcard, click on this icon. You will see the status has been changed here. Now let's move to page style and color scheme. From here you can change the page background. If you want, you can select a background image from our library or choose from solid colors or upload your own custom background image. You can even change the page layout from here. Here are some advanced settings or page layout which you can select as per your requirements. From here you can change page elements, color, font style, font size, and indent. Checkmark this checkbox if you want to enable sharing for your flashcard. Once done, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.